campus music.
Right, good morning guys. Good morning from Mr. Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we are going out. We are going to get water from the supermarket. So, and it's very cold. The weather is bright, but at the same time so cold. Like here now, we want the car to warm before we start going. One of the things I don't like about this cold weather, obodo yibo, all right, I don't like it at all. This cold weather, I'm not complaining, but I just want to say that it's not all that roses over here, guys. A lot of challenges. People that lives in abroad, we have a lot of challenges, and yeah, I know you guys down there, down home, you have your own challenges, but the mentality of people in abroad are enjoying like that. Okay, so this cold weather, you know, they're good for my body at all. So if you are new here, please don't go without subscribing, as I always say. Okay, join my beautiful family by subscribing. That subscription, it keeps us moving. Okay, that subscription is very, very important. Subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of our videos. Okay, my returning subscribers, you guys rock. Love you all. Okay, so we are going. Okay, join us. Today is vlog day. Is the code good for you, honey?
Who is it good for? Somebody. We are hot-blooded animals. We are hot-blooded animals. In as much as you were born in Africa, it's like you are born like 40 kilometers away from the equator. You know, that's normal fucking, what do they call it? The line that is drawn in between African continent like that. They call it equator. And it is drawn across the whole world map, actually. But no, in as much as we are close to those places and we are born in these areas, we don't need to be saying that. Cool. You can't get used to cold
at all.
Even if you have lived in Europe for so long, and, it is not of yours. It's not of your thing. It can never be yours.
Yeah.
So we are hot-blooded animals. I normally use that.
Yeah.
Even when I'm talking to some of my friends, like when I'm going to work. So they say, "Hey James, why are you always complaining of cold?" I said, "Oh, my friends, you know I'm an African man. I am a hot-blooded animal, and that is it. We're only managing to be here.
Honestly.
Just managing to be here. Guys, I will be among the first people that will give, like, possibility of, if I have, like, a personal business, I can say, as soon as it is winter period, I'm off. And whenever it is summer, I am back." Oh, yeah, we don't know. Those places that sell fresh fish around this area, I don't know if they are still on lockdown, if there's anyone that is going to attend to us, or they're going to sell something.
Do they sell crab?
I don't know. We have to find out. I don't think there are these people are open. Look at it. Everything is closed up. Look at it.
Honestly, we are looking for a place to buy crab, seafood. We are looking for a place to buy seafood.
Let me ask this man that is smiling. Let me ask him.
Yeah.
I think Google Map is going to do that thing for me because I don't want to start running apart. It's Lenten period as well, so we need to. It's Neptune fish.
Neptune fish. Yeah, we Catholics, we don't eat fish. We don't eat meat on Fridays until the Lent is over. So that is one of the sacrifice we got to make as Catholics. One of the sacrifice. Okay? So if you are Catholic, I don't know if you observe it, but we observe it in my family that we are not going to be eating meat every Friday. That is one of the sacrifice. Okay?
Darkness music.
Okay, they don't have crabs, fresh crabs and all that, so we are going. And it's like we'll leave this thing, let's go and carry water and go. Let's go. Okay, we are still looking for crabs. No crabs here. That one.
Not fresh. It's not fresh one. They said it's cooked. I'm not a fan.
No crabs here. So let's go.
I don't know how it's cheaper now. You know the thing. I don't know. We have not tried the one with milk though. Should we try this one?
I don't drink those things again. I only drink green tea. So I'm not gonna give you answer for that.
Like my grandpa.
Exactly, it looks like agege bread, right?
Agege, complete agege.
Agege bread.
One baguettes.
Njoko, what are we going to use it to cook? That almond, I'm the man like you. Get water.
Have you thought of milk, bread? You're going to do all this. It's not after going home now. You still want to go out again.
Let's try with the bread. Bread you can line up. Oh yeah, they have the finest. Oh yeah? Is it? No, what was it? Look where. Okay guys, we are done shopping. We are packing the water in the boot. So hubby is packing the water. We're about to go home now. And yeah, see you when we get home. Ebe m were Jesus, onye ike niile dị n'aka ya, si m gawa tụlụjọ. Okay guys, we couldn't find lobster. We couldn't find lobster, so we decided to come home like that. I need fresh lobster and fresh oporo crayfish, but we couldn't find it. They directed us to somewhere, so next time hubby will go alone and check for it. Okay, for now I'm going to just I'll just because I am craving for that. So this one is soap. I'm going to take it upstairs. And yeah. Even where Jesus, is still making some calls to get me that lobster. He's still making some calls to get me that lobster. Yes, because
frozen ones.
Frozen lobster. Oh. It's okay, it's manageable. So finally, he's going to get me the lobster, frozen one. Okay, I'm going to eat. Chowle, chowle. Shake my jolly. Ooh, jolly, jolly. Ooh. This is the type of dance you dance when you marry your best friend, right? Jolly, jolly. Hey, jolly. This type of dance when you marry your friend, your husband, your boyfriend, your all. So he's going to get me the lobster. Jolly, jolly. Shake your jolly. Jolly, jolly. Shake your jolly. That is the dance. Ah. Jolly, jolly. Shake your jolly. Okay, let me have my bread and yeah, and continue to wait for my lobster, my crab. Honey or frozen? Wow. Clear view. Clear view. This is good. Check the camera. Let me see. The jolly, jolly. Show you my jolly. Jolly, jolly. Okay, frozen. Ooh, show you my jolly. This is the whole scampi. Look at it. Scampi. So, I go here. Your earphone. Wow. Wait. You got many. You got many. Okay, look at this one. And this is the jumbo, the highest jumbo crayfish. This is jumbo. Oh my God. The jolly, jolly. Show you my jolly. Jolly, jolly. Okay, this one. Hey. Look at this one. So I'm going to cook now. You mean really on it?
Yes.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
The wash is not for your back.
Show you my jolly. Jolly, jolly. Chocolate today. Today I go chocolate. Chocolate. All right. So.
Oh, you're very pretty there. We even got close to this store here, and we did not go in that place.
We didn't know now.
So we didn't go in that roundabout. We took the other end of it. We were supposed to go out of the second exit and immediately turn left on Jackson Street. That is where this thing is. So it would have been better if we came with me actually, because we would have chosen more things that you wanted. Because they have a lot of stuff in there.
Oh my God.
Well, it is good I know the place now, some other time.
It's alright. So I'm going to chop my crab today. Okay? I love this one. This is super good. So I'm going to do it. The recipe is coming up. Okay, I'm going to end it here. Call it a vlog here. All right. So thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. So see you on our next vlog. Don't go without subscribing. Subscribe to our channel, okay? See you in our next video. Bye.